Watch me transform these UGG style boots into an awesome Christmas gift anyone would love to have. The perfect DIY gift, painted by you. Grab a paint pen and let's get started. I got these great little UGG style boots at Costco for only $24.99.
And at that price, you could make a pair for everyone.
I'm starting with a silver paint pen to outline my drawing. Color the text or some main areas with a blue paint pen. And for some contrast, I'm darkening some areas with black. Oh no. Here's where the plan changes. Oh. I guess I'll have to use fabric paint. Final details and done. Time for the next boot. I'm going over the main snowflake with some white to make it brighter and stand out better. Here they are. I think they turned out great. Let it snow! So until next time, thanks for watching this. Please subscribe so I can help you become a better artist and have fun doing it. See you later.